Hello, welcome to MBK Study. In this video, I am going to explain you about a lab activity in which we are going to find a types of images formed by a concave mirror and measuring the object distance and image distance. So students, without delay, let's start the topic. Aim of this experiment: observing the types of images and measuring the object distance and image distance from the concave mirror. So to do this activity, what are the materials we required? We required a candle, a paper, concave mirror of known focal length, that is 15 centimeter, V stand and measuring scale. Procedure: place the concave mirror on V stand and a candle and meter scale as shown in the figure. Keep the candle at different distances from the mirror, that is from 10 centimeter to 80 centimeter. So first of all, let us consider the object is kept at 80 centimeter along the axis, and by moving the paper, that is screen, find the position where you get the sharp image on paper. So here the first of all we kept the object at 80 centimeter and this is a paper. You have to adjust the paper in between the object and mirror. So you will get a sharp image at certain distance. And one thing you have to note here, you have to take care that flame is above the axis of mirror, paper is below the axis. So this is a principal axis, the flame should be above this axis and the paper, that is screen, must be below this axis. Now you have to classify your observation based on the type of image formed by mirror. So here the image is formed at certain distance, and before that you have to know that what is object distance and image distance. If you take the distance from object to mirror, how much it is? 80 centimeter. So that distance we call it as object distance. And here this is the image formed on the paper, and that distance from image to mirror we call it as image distance. And also you have to find the image is bigger in size or smaller in size, that is enlarged or diminished. That is nature of the image we call it as. Here in the nature we have to observe whether the image is bigger or smaller in size, or we can say enlarged or diminished, inverted or erect, real or virtual. If the size of this image is greater than the size of this object of the flame, then we can say this is enlarged image. If it is less than, if the image is less than this object, then we can say it is a diminished image. So when you compare these two here this flame and this flame, that is object flame and image flame is smaller in size. So that's why here we can say the image is diminished in size. Now erect or inverted. Now if you observe, this is the flame and here this is a flame, we got inverse here. So that's why we call it as inverted image. If the image is catch or on the screen, if the image it is getting on the screen, such type of image we call it as it is a real image, right? So you have to measure this object distance 80 centimeter and you have to measure this image distance. Relative to that image distance is something we got here 18.4. Next, you have to change the distance from 80 to 70 centimeter. Again you have to take a screen, that is a paper, and you have to adjust it. At certain distance you will get the image, and this image also we got the same inverted and diminished, and you have to measure this distance, that is image distance we call it as. Again you keep the object at 60 centimeter, that is object distance is 60 centimeter. Take a screen and adjust it. When you adjust you will get the image on the screen, that is sharp image, and again you will see that the image is diminished and inverted image. So now object is kept at 50 centimeter, adjust the screen and you will get the image on the screen. Measure the image distance, and here also you will get the image. The nature of the image is inverted, real and diminish. Now object is kept at 40 centimeter. Same, you have to repeat it. You will get the image on the screen. Measure the image distance, and the image is here inverted and diminished. Object is kept at 30 centimeter. Take the screen and adjust it, and you will get the image on the screen here. Now if you observe the flame of the object and the flame of the image, you are getting the same size here. When the object is at 30 centimeter, this 30 centimeter is, we call it as a center of curvature. Why? Because already known focal length of concave mirror we have taken, that is 15 centimeter. If the focal length is 15 centimeter, then the double of that focal length we take it as center of curvature. It means radius also we can consider. Here the center of curvature will get at 30 centimeter. So at 30 centimeter we are getting image and object same size. And of course you will see that it is inverted image and also reverse inverted image and real image. Now again you have to keep the object at 20 centimeter. Take the screen and adjust in front of the mirror. You will get a sharp image, okay, at 60 centimeter. Now you will see, measure this object distance and image distance, and you will see the image here. You are getting somewhat bigger in size, that is we can say enlarged image, and you are getting reverse image, so that's why inverted image, and we are getting on the screen, so that's why it is a real image. Now the object is kept at 15 centimeter, that is at focal point of what? Concave mirror. So what the focal point of concave mirror we have taken, sir, here is 15 centimeter. When the object is kept at 15 centimeter, you will see that the image is formed at infinity. This is what the object is at infinity, but in this diagram I have just shown at the end point of this page, but it will get somewhere at infinity, and that too the images we are getting highly enlarged, and the inverted image you will get. Now when the object is kept at 10 centimeter, if the object is at 10 centimeter, we can say that it is in between focal point and mirror, or we can say object distance is less than focal point. So when the object is 10 centimeter or less than focal point, then you have to take a screen and adjust the screen in front of the mirror. But here in this condition, in this situation, we can see that the image we are not getting on the screen. But where will get the image? If the image is not get on the screen, you have to see in the mirror. So when you see in the mirror, you will see the image we are getting in the mirror. So this type of image we call it as virtual image. And how we are getting? Same as it is how the object is there, so that's why erect image. And we are getting bigger in size, so that's why we can say it is enlarged in size, enlarged image. So this is what the condition when the object is kept at less than focal point, we are getting enlarged and erect image, and that too virtual image we are getting, that is the image we are getting in the mirror. Now what we did the activity that we have noted down in the observation, that is a tabular form. In the table you have to take the observation number, object distance, that is distance of candle from the mirror, image distance, that is V, distance of paper from the mirror, that is screen, whether you have to see it is an enlarged image or diminished image, and inverted or erect. So when the object is 80 centimeter, here we got the image distance at 18.4 centimeter, and already we came to know that it is a diminished and inverted image. So like that 70, 60, 50, okay, 40 centimeter, up to 40 centimeter when you observe, you are getting diminished image and inverted image as well. But at 30 centimeter center of curvature, image we are getting at 30 centimeter, but if you see, it is not, we are getting enlarged image or diminished image. Here the image we are getting is same size and inverted image. If you keep the object less than center of curvature, that is 20, 15 or 10 centimeter, you will observe that the size of the image is increasing. We are getting the enlarged image. See, this is all we are getting enlarged image. And here, except the 10 centimeter, we are getting inverted image. At 10 centimeter, we are getting enlarged, along with that one erect image we got there. But if you see the distance of this distance, the image distance, we cannot measure it. Why? Because no image is on the paper. Where we are getting that image means image we are getting in the mirror. But when it is at the focal point 15 centimeter, we are getting the image at infinity. But from this observation, you observe that the object distance as will decrease, or if I consider from the down, if the object distance is increases, if the object distance is increases, you will see that the image distance is decreases. Increases here, decreases. Once again, if the object distance is increases, here image distance is decreases. Or reverse, if you say, if the object distance is decreases, here image distance is increases. Right. So again, if you see in the table 2, it is considered as not a particular values, just position of the objects we are taking a different position by considering the focal point and center of curvature. The position of the object, first if you take in between mirror and focus, that is less than focus, less than the focal point we can say. When the object is between mirror and focus, the position of the image is behind the mirror, that is it is not getting on the screen, we are getting in the mirror. And the image is enlarged, erect and virtual image. Except this condition, remaining all you are getting real image, inverted image. When the object is exactly at focal point, we are getting at infinity image and it is highly enlarged, inverted and real. If the object is between focus and center of curvature, image we are getting beyond C, it means the distance we are getting greater than center of curvature and the image is enlarged, inverted and real. At center of curvature, image also we are getting on C, but the size if you see we are getting the same size but inverted and real. If the object is kept greater than center of curvature, that is C, where we are getting the image is getting between focus and center of curvature, but the size when you see it is diminished in size, inverted and real. So students, what the conclusion we drawn from this activity is, the first conclusion is the position of image and object are interchanged. It means if you change the position of object, the image position is also changing, they are not constant. And the second observation is, as the object distance increases, just previously I told you, as the object distance increases, image distance decreases. Or we can also write it as the object distance decreases, the image distance increases. The last final conclusion is here, as the object distance increases, you see the size of the image is gradually decreasing there. So this also you can also observe in the activity. So students, this was all about the lab activity in which we discuss the types of images formed by a concave mirror and we measure the object distance and image distance. Hope you like this video. If so, don't forget to subscribe and share the video with others. Thank you.